Hey folks, want to do this quick review on this Fenix TK16 version 2 dual tail switch tactical flashlight. I've been carrying this in my car for, I don't know, a few months, and I really like it. It's, I'll show you, I guess the reason that they're calling it a tactical flashlight is because it's got these, not sure what you call this, but I call it like this castling on the end of the flashlight, and then you can see these small protrusions here. There's 3 of them right there on the end. So if assuming if you had to strike with it, you could do a little more, you know, if you had to use it for self-defense, you could, that would do a little more, that would hurt a little bit more, maybe do a little more damage. You know, I have average size hands, get a pretty good palm load. That's what you're using it for. But anyway, as far as the flashlight itself goes, one of the reasons that I liked it was it's got this dual tail cap here, and this is for the strobe function, and then it's got this clicky tail cap turned on and off. I'm gonna flip off the lights here in a minute, and I'll show you what the beam spread does. It's 3100 lumens and then 380 meters max. I don't have that large of an area to show you exactly how that if that actually is true or not, but or a light meter to show you if that 3100 lumens actually works. But here's a pin to kind of show you about the size you're getting into. So it's a decent sized flashlight, that's for sure. I've not really tried carrying it in my pocket. I think that'd be a pretty good size to go throwing in your pocket. It does come with this carrier you can put on your belt. I haven't used this, but you know, it seems to be about as well made as most of them. It's Velcro there, and got a belt loop, and you know, all that's fine. The Fenix stuff is well made. I've had several Fenix flashlights. None of them failed me yet, so I think they're good value for the money. That's why they're calling it a tactical flashlight. Let me turn the lights off here, and I'll show you what this does. So I'm about 10 yards away from this wall, so here's the strobe function. So it's got one button for the strobe function, and then that's the on and off. So if you're just going to if you just need to quickly blind somebody, and I'm just strictly talking about if this is if you're buying it for a tactical use, and not using it actually as the flashlight, since this was labeled tactical flashlight. But anyway, if you just need a regular flashlight, maybe you just buy a non-tactical flashlight. I'm just trying to say that this is what this is labeled as. So it's got this strobing function. You can that's just momentary on and off. That does not click on and off, so you can just strobe like that. Anyway, hope this helps you decide, and thank you for watching.